registration. Alamin ang dalawang option para mag-sign up.
左顾右盼，像个小孩，此刻心跳你明不明白？没了节拍。
Thank you po sa mga nakasubscribe na at sa hindi pa, please click the subscribe button at i-on mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa next video ko. Welcome sa GCASH 101. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo ang 2 option para mag-sign up sa GCash sa pamamagitan ng GCash app at through website. Please keep on watching! GCash 101, how to register to GCash. Dahil nga pandemic pa rin tayo ngayon, mas advisable talaga guys na mag-subscribe or mag-sign up sa e-wallet para safe lagi. So all we need to do is to register. So first, you need to download the GCash app. Usually makikita mo yan sa Google Play Store or sa App Store. So, pwede siya for iPhone and Android. So, yun nga sabi ko, you have 2 options guys para mag-register sa GCash. First option is via GCash app. So, ilalagay ko rin yung link. Yun yung una kong ginawa, yung title na paano gumawa ng GCash account. Refresher lang to guys. So, once na-download nyo na tong GCash app, ang susunod na gagawin nyo is to enter your cellphone number or mobile number and then tap next. So usually naman may parang detailed steps siya. Hindi naman siya super hirap gawin. So it's for everybody. Madaling gawin to guys. And then next, once na ma-enter nyo na yung phone number, you will receive a 6-digit one-time passcode on the number you provided. So, input the code and tap submit code. Kasi they just want to make sure si Globe na talagang ikaw yung may-ari ng number. And then afterwards, ipoprovide mo na yung information in the next pages such as your name, birth date, address, and email address, and then you just need to submit. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito pwedeng mga alias lang. Kailangan totoong first and last name and birth date nito. Kasi, kailangan maging verified din yung account, which is in my upcoming next video, i-discuss ko rin yun, guys. And then, once done, ito na, magsasabi na mag-create ka ng 4-digit PIN or MPIN. You will use this in all GCash transactions. So usually, pag bibili ka ng load, magsisend ka ng pera, magka-cash in, cash out, magbabayad ng bills, kailangan lagi yung MPIN na to. Pinaka-importante ito sa lahat. And then, meron din yung sa terms and condition, you need to submit or tap submit din para makomplete na yung registration. Step by step naman usually yung guide dun sa app. So, hindi mo siya usually mamimiss. Super easy. Madali lang to guys. You're all set. So, tap proceed to log in to explore your new GCash account. Log in using your 4-digit MPIN. And by the way guys, sa mga wala pang GCash or first time pala mag-create, I have leave yung GCash code ko sa comment or sa description box. Kindly refer to that guys. Kasi ang maganda doon is you will be able to get 70 worth pesos sa GCash once you take advantage of that code, okay? And then yung next option naman is yung GCash registration via sa GCash website. Yes, meron din po sila through the website. So, This would be ideal sa mga meron pong mga PC or pwede rin po sa phone na naka-desktop mode lang. So here would be the steps. So please go to GCASH website and then the usual, enter nyo po yung phone number nyo and then click next. You'll receive a 6-digit one-time passcode din po and then click submit code. Halos the same lang din po sa GCash app, pero kung prefer nyo po yung mas bigger screen and all, this would be a much better option po sa iba na gusto talaga nila malaki yung screen. And then next po is scroll through the terms and condition, tapos click mo lang po yung accept. Next, provide your personal information on the next page, yun nga yung name, email address, birthday, and then click submit, and then create then 4-digit MPIN, and then voila. Once complete, you'll be directed to a QR code. Scan it to download the GCash app. And then you're all set. Ganun lang po siya kabilis at kadali. And with that, I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo in any way. Kung nakatulong ako sa iyo, please subscribe to my channel, like and i-share mo tong video. If may question po kayo, please leave a comment sa comment box. Again, this is Tita Eda. Thank you for watching. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.